Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to clear queue on Spotify. So go for your Spotify app and in this home page you can see your recently played song here. Click on it and in this page you can see here three horizontal lines. So again click on it and now you can see there is there are your all cues. So you have to just in this okay already I clear all these things. You have to just click on it and just uh, it's done. After that it's done. So this is how you can clear queue on Spotify. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.